Happy Monday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Okay, before I jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple deep breaths. Follow me, breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right. Hashtag your mood down below. Say hi, say hello if you're new to me. Welcome. My name's Puerto, also known as Super Agent. I am an active licensed California real estate professional, also a public educator and a professional agent trainer, and creator and founder of many cool things like books, workshops, curriculum, seminars, conferences, and summits, on and on and on. You can learn more and check out what I'm offering at lasuperagent.com. All right. What else? Make sure you turn on post notifications. That way you don't miss any new episodes as I upload them. And subscribe to the radio podcast, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Anchor, Stitcher, Breaker, Castbox, iTunes, on and on and on. All right. That's the logistics. How are you feeling? Y'all, I'm looking to get this done. Take my 10 minutes of my feeling good, and I'm going to go take a nap. This episode, I'm captioning from Shift Your Thinking, Dean Del Sesto, 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. We are on episode 174. 174. I think it's 174. I am going to call this one Schedule It. Time block. Time block. He says, don't be a blockhead with time. Use your head and block out time. Isn't it about time to get control of your time? How many times in the day are you saying there just isn't enough time? Press 1 if you find yourself there just isn't enough time. I don't use that phrase because I know I time block. I do have a calendar and I time block. It's funny because when people try to call me in between my schedule, you may rarely catch me. I do priority because when I am working actively with clients or projects, some phone calls are going to come in sooner than others. And it's just, you've got to prioritize. Time is always in short supply when we're young. He says, there's never enough time to do our homework. When we're adults, there's never enough time to take care of the house, get our kids to do their homework, do our work, and do all the other things that need to get done. He says, even when people retire, they claim they are busier during retirement than when they were working. Safe to say, we all view time the same way. There's never enough of it to do what needs to get done or what we want to do. Welcome to reality. He says life's biggest opportunity will never be how we view time, but how much we extract from the time we have been given. He says, like squeezing juice from an orange, we have the capacity to get a great deal more out of the minutes, hours, and days we have if we proactively make a commitment to do so. Whether it's leveraging our time to improve our knowledge in our career, spending more time with the family, getting in shape, losing some weight, writing a book, starting a hobby, or whatever floats the boat, there will never be enough time to do it unless we develop the amazingly productive habit of time blocking. He says it is truly the only way to challenge the reality of time and, in theory, to slow the clock down and squeeze what you want out of life. This is so funny because shout out to LA Biz guy DeAndre Landers, also founder of Bay Entertainment. We just finished having this phone call. He had asked me, am I scheduling my videos? And if that was a preference or I choose not to. If it was a preference for me not to schedule, am I choosing not to do it, or I'm indifferent about it? And I definitely would prefer to schedule it. It's just that a lot of my videos, I haven't pre-recorded it. And, you know, it's just one of those things that's not happening. All right, let's wrap this up. He says the process is pretty simple. Regardless of whether you are a hard copy, mobile phone, or tablet calendar, the method is to start the elusive habit of blocking out time. Y'all forgive me if you guys are watching me on video. My hair is wet, so it's dripping on my face, and so I'm wiping my face is what you see me doing. You're like, gosh, what's going on with Lisa today? She's got an interesting, twerk. He says, that's the easy part. The secret sauce is actually doing what is scheduled as if your life depended on it, and allowing the accomplishment of that time to create the motivation needed for a lasting commitment. Motivation, by the way, type in the comments, motivation is not needed to get things done. Time blocking, type in the comments, time blocking and commitment are the life-giving combination to activating all things. All right. So you've been given time blocking, scheduling it, commitment, time blocking. I get it. I hear you, Lisa. I hear you. All right. So I invite you today to choose a method that you will time block, albeit your phone, tablet, PC. You write it down. You have a calendar. You have a pocket calendar, a desk calendar. Use it. That's what it's there for, so that you have more control of your life. All right. That's my time. Love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful and productive day. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue our series of Shift Your Thinking. Bye.